Welcome to the West Virginia DOT's Road Projects Map. Please note that it may take a few seconds for data to load. If you're viewing on a mobile device, the data will be best viewed horizontally. Here, you'll find every single road project in the state for this year. Chances are you're interested in what progress is being made in your area. To do so, click on the search bar and type in your address. If your street or one near yours is color-coded, that means work has either been completed, is underway, or will soon begin in that area. To see details about any specific project, all you have to do is click on a color-coded section of road. Some roads may have more than one project happening, so they'll have more than one color. To see the different types of road work, click the arrows in the information box to cycle through projects. The tabs along the top separate the information into a variety of categories. Under the Paving tab, you'll find all of the paving projects that are either scheduled or have already been completed this year. You'll also notice the statistics window on the left side of your screen that tracks the amount of paving that has already been completed versus the amount of paving still to go for whatever section of the state you're looking at. Please note that as you drag the map and explore other portions of the state, the statistics will adjust according to what you're looking at. Also note that anytime you move the map, it may take a few moments for those results to load. You can click on any color-coded road again to find more details. Of course, paving isn't the only type of road maintenance happening around the state. You can click on either of the core maintenance tabs to view information on ditching, patching, and stabilization projects. Phase 1 includes projects that were added to the maintenance schedule in spring as part of Governor Justice's Secondary Roads Maintenance Initiative. Phase 2 projects were added in the summer. Once again, you'll notice that the stats for these projects are updated on the left side of your screen. These numbers will change as your view of the state does. If you're interested in seeing how much progress has been made in your county, click the Districts and Counties tab on the bottom of the map viewer. Select the county you want to highlight, and the information will be updated. You can also search projects by district. To deselect a county or district, simply click on them again. Back on the map viewer, if at any point you want to reset the map, remember that you can click on the Home button on the top right of the map viewer. And again, for specific searches, locate the magnifying glass icon on your screen. Rounding out the main tabs at the top of your screen are a tab for major projects under the Roads to Prosperity program. Bridge projects throughout the entire state, as well as slide repair projects. The map will be updated with current data once every 2 weeks. Remember, this map is for current projects. Future projects will be added at a later time.